Guys, you know what? Firstly, I just want to apologize. Guys, I was going through a lot. A lot was happening, and I was not dropping the videos. And and you guys have been spamming my comment section. You have been typing everywhere. Praise, give us more. Praise, give us more. Praise, give us more. So today we're out here in the streets again. I'm begging the streets. I'm begging the game. Your boy has been going through a lot, man. Your boy has been going through, we can't say heartbreak, man. heartbreak. You understand? But anyways, in official announcement, your boy is seeing in searching in ready to mingle. Is he seeing in rich? Anyways, whatever. Anyways, today we are begging the guys. But anyways, today we are back in the streets and we are doing couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds again. I'm always so basically what's happening today is we finna look for the couples. We out here, community drive as usual, and we are looking for cheating couples. You understand? So if it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Don't forget that this video is proudly sponsored by a lot of people, man. That are making this video happening because guys makandofara kutsvaga mamonya apo chakuratidzai, and also makati mimi ndofarira kutsvaga vanhu vanyasondichengetedza kana ada kurohwa vapo vari behind the camera chakuratidzai. So vanhu ivavo they need to be paid, you understand? So tine masponsors ari panapa asponsor this video. Nda collaborate machannels avo. Mukabaya pakanzi-subscribe apo muchiona kuti makabaya pakanzi-subscribe pachabuda channels akawanda. Go and subscribe kune machannels ari papapa anenge 3 or 4. Munoasupporta, munonyora macomment sections avo kuti from praise anitika toda kutende guys netsugiro renyu. Saka tisina kuwaste time, rege tione kuti streets anei nhasi zvaachatipa. So please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. So guys, as you can see dasida kujuma kukobara guys. Kuna vanoziva mufesa ndazvemadrip check here. Fesa anonzi MK Swagger ameno anda zvekuti chkwe kana sameno shootira ngwa chiruwa muno musaka apedza kuti shootira kane baby rake. You understand? But dasida kujuma mu streets. I'm the love doctor, you know what I'm saying? Guys, do you think we should Tomita couples exchange? I don't know so chimero. Tomita. This I guess. Yes guys, mfesa ari kurowa masmash pass ake nini iconic creator ani zvaari kuita kuchani kwake, but this is Ameno. This is bro. If you are watching this, Ameno, just forgive me. Just know that I'm hustling, bro. Ameno, I mean, abatwa muno wako emotion yangu. You can't blame me. You walk abatwa. We can't blame you as well because men, they are polygamous by nature. You understand? So, get musikire. And I say, guys, I'm Ameno. Whoa yo. That's mapira paseti pangu mdara.
Ya mwida se.
Bola do wida se. Mbo shuta kubola.
Mushita. Naza nsushuta so ntole ngwana.
Nazo ngota samwida se.
Pana ntongoro abambaya deno.
Mabaya 10 mwana.
Asika Saturday ka.
Samarita se nasi streets are dry and animals are now drop, you know.
Drip check.
Drip check. Doesn't need to drip check ankomana.
Ona my
2 minutes get prize. Drip check amana today square. So boy Swagger.
Tashi. Square so boy Swagger bega again at
Yes.
Fancy.
So amana ndara nasi jakuvara makapfeka ndere mari. From Shin. From Shin.
In the price
priceless.
Priceless.
Okay. Ndiro ere. Tonza fagwera.
Never been broke again.
Okay. Ndiro ere.
Sorry, I don't know.
Straight from the flea market. Do you know the guy Rodaro? Straight from the flea market. Romtsaga about TikTok. Anyways, what's popping?
Oh, it's Ajma
25. And then was as
she slide this
I'm do tipo drip check.
No, thank you.
Zvakaoma. ende zvingomaunga sorry zvenyu ende zvingomaunga since mangosvika pasaidi mungazongobuda munozoti pachane pangwana pandepechi ino 2 minutes kani usati daro uri kwatiregera 2 minutes 2 minutes
uyu aida masketsa mine zve
ndoite nonzi just play my small games nemacouples no ma 2 minutes only
but actually handi watiri umanyere
2 minutes 2 minutes
panga pachitwa drip check
aka drip check 2 minutes azvotora ma 30 minutes
aiwa idoita 5 minutes yet 5 minutes achamanyi anyways amana what's good youtube nhasi nonge ndanyatsopaona usati kuenyesha ndiri pabasa totaura after amana nhasi nonge ndanyatsokupa intro anyways my name is Praise Magara and ini zvandinoita manjika munondiziva makutotangonisira panapa ndonzi Praise Magara. I've been going through a lot recently. Makanzwa pakurohwa kana vakadzi nyangona 12 am call me amunomuninginirwa makwe
ndinai
munokwanisa kundipawo ndirakupiwa handi kuzoti handina munhu here ndirakupiwawo kandi une top soup here mungunondipawo because ndakambodanana nemashurugwi ndo rachonara nditori ndakambodanana nemashurugwi ro anyways guys swaga iwewe guys amanaka so basically what's happening today is my name is Praise Magara. I break relationships for a living. Ndo zvandinoita so ini ndotamba ma small games macouples ndotamba ma games anonzi couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds.
Nyaya
yakanaka kaya to see if this one is cheating on you or if you are not cheating on him anika saka ndo zvandinoita ina handiwanze ndotambisa nguva yavanhu vari kuona kana nguva yenyu sinzi kuri kupisa muzviona kuri kupisa plus muri padhuze neni futi kutsva kwachinobva kwawedzera because ndinopisa sorry ngendo yepanapa ini so yeah asikuziva kuti which is which here anyway guys we are here it's another episode breaking relationships muri kufara mda
tofara
yatatazela you're shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Why are you shaking?
I too my eyes.
Okay, I don't worry. So I may not which is which guys we are it's about to go down. We are about to what time is it? Tutanga kutange kunoko right. Ana phone ringo man.
anayo
Alright, I don't worry. Unayo. Chimbo check this one. It unlocked here.
anoziva
Password munoziya mdara. Guys, we are here in another episode. Couples exchanging phones for 6 seconds. You know, it's about to go down. It's about to go biblically. Mtwana wami. No, the King Ginger.
King Ginger.
Na no ndibo man.
And the cream dollar.
And this boy, cream ginger, cream dollar cream. It's about to go down. It's about to go
bananas.
About to go bananas. It's about to go biblically. Mtwana wami.
And this is
just okay. Go and open WhatsApp. Then WhatsApp magende koko. You have to search sex. Kana masecha. Magaona zvamaona koko. Mova mango mira ipapo tovatavunza. Kana
really necessary.
Aiwa zviri necessary. Andiwo wasikuchita.
zviri necessary
Wakandagara ndoita drip check.
Sasa rapas.
Hapana zvinhu nda.
Okay, unobva delete so that because the last time people were facing crisis yekuti tikanyora kuti sex and then ubva wanyora zvimwe zvaranyora wedrova rabatana haachabude mawords ska clear papo andika enyora kuti nudes. It's another episode of breaking relationships. Take your time bro, don't shake. Take your time
bro. I'm not shaking.
Take your time bro. Take your time. Yeah, okay. Amuna vari kutumirwa ro.
kani
Zvese safe.
kuchita kusi bloodline rangu
Type C. Muri save musa type C.
Chinhu zvamezvo
Okay.
Pana group chat.
Okay. Now search morning after. Morning alala baba. Mukutenge.
Morning after. Where with
washata. Yeah, washata. All right. And it on.
what did you say?
Search your morning after.
Morning after.
Guys, yeah, we are operating the girl's phone and we were trying to find something here. Madam nachirimiro.
mbona chirimo
Nguva dzichiripo. Dzanguva ira. Vachamhanya.
My time guys.
I don't know. Takutopedza. It's just 60 seconds.
Machine mujara.
Amana chinhu. Guys, the phone is too clear. Chumuenda ku Instagram. Humbo search my friend request. Facebook question. We are checking the phone and it seems like we are checking. Someone is checking while shaking. Why are you shaking? Checking and shaking. You're gonna to. Hey guys, this is what happening here. Get Tarise. So guys, I'm checking now. Both Instagram and Facebook. Muri him da.
Andrew bomb da.
Murungu.
Andrew at time
Atendo are. Kana muri basa kwemene msingamanye. Bashoot nozoda pamanyu. Kana totobina mushoot auti eke kana game ratanga anoziya. Unozinzwisisa. Autangi game what eke. Okay guys, we are checking WhatsApp. Twiga WhatsApp ngori me.
Auntie ne one.
Okay. We are checking Twanami. Amana machatsa kawanda. Singazoziye kana asina ku delete kwa. But here guys, amana ku delete.
This is a sincha sangana name.
Avangazviziye. Swaga. My brother, we the same dad. What do you want to tell my fans before relationship appear?
Follow my YouTube account.
She's up a screen. But you want to die here? My sister. She need to do murambe mun.
Kuchitwa second option.
No, chitko ro fix option.
Shine basera kumbochitire ichi chanenga asiri kuwana.
Nyaya kwa muri baba.
Kodi chichi.
Alright, chingaito kuti murambe munhu chi.
Nomurambire kwa usikona kuti mwana nake.
Alright, but kana papa kana zvazonzi kuda kumuramba chingaito kuti murambe chi.
Enene. Kuchita.
Alright.
Asikana afano kuchita.
Kuva komana.
Bible even na Solomon aita kadzobo.
Oh.
Asunoshura naye.
Nditola shukuru Bible.
Sokutha.
Bible rekupera mimi.
Wanda guys.
Mwana wamvangela iza Bible.
Shukuru nonzi yakadza kwanda.
Azinanzi takadza. Ane that space.
Okay, so
madema chitama tiradza phone yake cause pana vanonzwa kutsva.
BP yakwira. Okay, my sister, if you find this guy achichita, tichaita sei naye?
Hatopedzerana.
Munoputitsa munhu. Anyways guys, mazvinzwira. It's about to go down. Mike Tyson is preparing for the match. Baba. Tisingatotambisa nguwa
ndanda phone.
Hanza ana phone.
Anayo phone yangu chibaya baya manje.
Ndanda phone.
Guys, German out ana phone na. Hanza ana phone. Ana phone. Aiwa German. Aiwa. Yaone kaya kamera wewe yakuruka. Aiwa. Oh. Kamera wewe yaone pa hili. Ona pa hili. Ona.
Mama ya.
German. German.
Wake kaingia sasa.
Uira ze German. Uira ze German. Boy yaburukite. Unlocka. Chi unlocka. Osikunyare but. Ngapa isa phone mbrugwe nesha.
Anabesa mbrugwe ngala hapa.
My brother.
Password cheese.
Uruvunze susu password yako.
Unza ndiudze ndise nyini.
Right.
Nyora zita rako chadio.
Nyora zita rako. Eh. Iyo. Uyakuno. Ani nyoro tadiwa 1. Asuna tadiwa 2. Iyo. Anzaita. Yes guys, we are now checking the phone of the guy. Who has been shaking. Okay, go. Magaloka WhatsApp ndara. Why do you look WhatsApp?
Business man.
German. Abangu yakade so face no ramba. Anyways guys, this is what's happening here. Now we are checking the phone. Go to WhatsApp my sister. Ayo, baba samda. Go on WhatsApp, search 6. Iyo. Search 6. And then nudes. Morning after. Munonge message amchidelete. Atichiripo. Acha manye. Mchiro manye.
Niwe swaga ndana nonzi paida na iwe. Mtala newe.
Paida ndia.
Cousin yangu.
Nisuroka bono mtengera morning after chicha kadaro.
Akona chakara ni face wake ndio ila nayo saka.
Saka ndio nono mtengera ere.
Face wake ngasina mali saka ndakazongomte.
Chibandira kunditsanangura sokutaura sitaze kunzosesa ukutaura esosho.
Daira zoruko.
Pendura.
Ndakangobatsira mari yekutenga morning after. Cousin yangu ya closely.
Cousin yako mboti musikana weshamwari yako wani.
Cousin yangu ka musikana weshamwari yangu.
Mira tibate mafoni. Cameraman tipo mafoni atoni. Tibate yo mafoni cameraman.
Ipapa zvese zvakapfeka ndindo kutengera.
Unotomchengeta?
Ndomchengeta.
Saka bro.
I'm the breadwinner in this relationship.
Yo.
Basa rechineni so.
Ungachengetwe shapo.
Unoenda nevana ndisiri ndinobhadhira mari yese yoyo.
My brother.
Only to pay me with this. Andista kutamba newe wazvinzwa. Andistamba newe.
Praise God say.
Andistamba newe.
Iningana murume achiro handibati kana ari mukadzi maybe ndobata.
Andistamba newe ndisiye.
Yakuno munotsiko ish. My brother, why do you cheat? Why do you cheat?
Serious bag wakabata chonge sibenzi chiko.
Azokumteresa.
Andisikuseka newe chi.
Akuseka sha.
Sorry baby. But cousin yangu.
Cousin yotengera mama
Cousin yako unotengera morning after.
Angasina mari morning after.
Saka mkomana wake ndianoita. Saka mkomana ndianoita bwa umtengera.
Sorry baby. So.
Aiwa andistay shosho.
Dina. Praise God say unondizadzisa ropo. Aiwa
chingombe. Kuti siswaga zvinopera naso.
Swaga nepeza unomtengera. My brother unyarere but wona kutengera masina kanaka.
Bisa juice rangu isheshi. Itashe kukasika.
Kasika we. Kochichena chisi chako futeresha. Dzoka. My sister. Inda muno.
Iranda nzwa kunyara singai.
Munomushotesa chimfeso.
Hapana iwe newe ndinomupa zvese zvaanoita zvake zvese. Ndinomupa mari yese asadoto ndi.
Neswaga my G. What's wrong with you?
Kumna ndomunzwira hasha. Utamba newe.
Mirai, meatimbotaura mana. Swaga. What's wrong? Vanhu ngavaone kuti unochita.
Utamba newe.
Swaga. But your problem yako ndi
ngasichizoitika pana sinombomira pana pandenda umba kwedu.
But mamira iyo.
Understanding bro.
So zvatirovese.
Ona wombotanga zvetike kuona zvakonzeresa manje.
So my sister, what are you going?
What
are you going to do with him?
You're going to pay. Mira one. Vanogadzira maskits chi.
Kana maskits nemali sheshipe vanhu.
Zive wewe.
Zvaendwa kezvo.
Pasitobvisa futi hembe yangu yakapfeke kumusoro.
Hamsadaro aiwa.
Sinoenda umba kwenyu wakashama. Visa hembe kumusoro.
Chama chingobaya.
Akatira mari kutenga chicheni chaanacho muure ichi.
Chimuzigirezisi. Zvakaoma.
Swaga dzenhema. Usida kufamba uchinyepera vanhu iwe wazvinzwa.
Aunyarere bachiro.
Ona zvakonzeresa.
But aunyarere.
Ikazi ndangu bro.
Uyu ndo kazi yako. Wale chitudza. Hey bana. Hey. Yes sir.
Amuna vana zviripo. Ona indodai wewe, ona.
Musiye.
Yo mgengo yechimbosara.
Musiye.
Sorry.
Kaskobvisa.
Sorry.
Visa.
But why are you cheating? How long have you been cheating for on here? Wangochimuchita.
Namomchita.
Wangochitengera cousin morning after going basi.
2 months.
Ayo. My brother. Guys, zvakaoma guys. Ina hangu peace out. Ina hangu andisipakurwa. Sorry, me andivunze. Ndovunza something. Sorry, I don't know. I'm side violence and all that. So what are you going to do with him?
Ndomugadzira size.
Ungadzira size. Are you going to cheat back?
Shasuzoza ndoti ndine MC10 wangu andotomhanya naye. Ndotomunyudza. Pese panditeuzomuona handenda to delete udarasa ka
safe. So he was just a playboy ngotambona nekoradza. After all he's not the type. Anyways, it's okay my sister. Thank you for tuning in. Zvakaoma.
Aba ndinopedzerana naye.
I was still safe. Yo guys, musiya d akomana guys zvakaoma zvikuitika munyika ino yezimbabwe. Vanhu vari kuchitana amana muri kuchitirei amana? Why are you doing zvamuri kuita izvi? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing? Une munhu ari kukuchengeta, une musikana wako ari kuita zvakanaka, but you get the guts, you got the audacity to cheat. Siyanai zvamuri kuita guys, please amana, don't cheat on your people. Musaite zvamuri kuita, zvinhu zvakashata handika. Anyways, man, I beg you guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. It's your boy President_Dude. We out here fixing the country. Chigazanyika. Those who call the video staged, I don't know, man. I can't do anything, and that's what I quit. Don't forget to subscribe to my sponsors of this channel. I take them. Subscribe, bye. Part of the window, and then you subscribe to all of the channels. Anyways, I beg guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Pres Makara. We're out here fixing the country. Peace out.